Worlds Beyond. It's a collection of Paul Curry material, stuff that can almost not be defined. Brilliant resource. It has been out of print. The good news is Penguin is putting it back into print, and you should buy it.
Paul Curry was a magical genius, and some of the tricks that he created are some of the best tricks ever invented. In this book are hundreds of ideas that very few people are doing, and that with just a little work, you could add to your shows to entertain both real people and even fool your magic friends. I highly recommend spending some time with Paul Curry's Worlds Beyond.
If you aren't familiar with the name Paul Curry, you should be. His book Worlds Beyond has so much usable information in it, and it's best, I think, to read it to understand how this genius thinks. He's the creator of one of the most famous card tricks of all time, Out of This World, but there's so many other effects in his book that are worth checking out no matter what kind of magic you do, whether it's ropes, mentalism, or card tricks. He's got something in it for you.
You know, if Paul Curry had only given us Out of This World, that would be enough. But fortunately, the world was not enough. And he gave us so much more, and it's all in here. Classic tricks, great ideas, brilliant thinking, and of course, Stephen Minch has never put his name on anything that wasn't stellar. If you love good card magic, or great card magic, you're going to love this book.
If you're done with Trick of the Week downloads and want to sink your teeth into something meaty, old school, classic, extremely creative, and really inspiring, then it's going to be hard to go wrong with Paul Curry's remarkable Worlds Beyond. Probably the best thing that I can say about Worlds Beyond is that all the time, again and again as I was reading it, I kept thinking to myself, damn, I wish that I thought of that. But I can't think of it because someone else got there first, so you should probably check it out.